Pivot tow pole. A step-by-step video of how to attach the pivot tow pole to a vehicle. Park your van behind the casualty vehicle with your beacons and hazard warning lights on. Remove the towing eye cover if necessary and store it safely inside the casualty vehicle. Wearing your loading gloves, place all sections of the tow pole in front of the casualty vehicle. Attach the sliding hook end to the towing eye. Ensure that the end can close properly and that the ring and guide are both on the top. Make sure there will be enough clearance to avoid any damage to the bumper when towing around corners. The sliding hook is also easily adapted to fit a vertical towing eye using the other ring. Again, always check for clearance on the bodywork. Then attach the sliding tube to the centre section and fit the linchpin. Now slide the front section onto the centre section, securing together with the pin and clip. Pass the webbing strap through the guides and hook onto the ring. Feed the strap through the ratchet. Allow some slack and then tighten. Ensure that there are at least 2 full turns of strap around the spool. Finally, secure the loose end of the strap so it can't drag along the floor. Once fitted, the tow pole can be pivoted so it can be easily connected to your van. Place the tow pole on the floor in line with the side of the casualty vehicle. Move your van in front of the casualty vehicle and reverse until the end of the tow pole is under your van's bumper. Apply your handbrake, put the van in neutral and walk around to the near side to remove the tow clip and pin from the van. Release the knuckle joint and connect the tow pole to the tow hitch, fitting both the pin and the clip. Drive your van forwards gently to straighten the pole and to close the sleeve. Stop, get out of your van, walk round to the near side and check the security of the sleeve. An overview of a recessed towing eye. On some vehicles with a recessed towing eye, the hook end may cause damage as there is not enough clearance from the bumper. You can see here that this attachment could easily damage this bumper. In these situations, you should use a spring hook end fitting. This will provide enough clearance. The spring hook end can also easily be changed to fit a vertical towing eye. Simply remove the pin and clip and twist to the second position, making sure again that the ring is on the top. Always fit the safety strap to both types of attachment.